Hello guys, welcome to House Hunting 254. This is George. I'm in Kiserian to showcase this beautiful 3-bedroom with 2 of the bedrooms en suite that's in the market at only 40,000 Kenya shillings. Once you enter, this is the parking area which can accommodate around 4 cars. On our left here, that's the garden. Let's go in and tour it. Come. This is the staircase that leads you to this entry foyer, and right here, this is our living room. You can see how beautiful it is, and it's well lit. Right ahead, we have this as the dining area, which comes with this beautiful ceiling and that lighting. This is our vanity space, and here is our lovely kitchen, which comes with ample cabinetry for all your storage. On our left again, we have this as the pantry area, and this is the door that will lead you to the backyard of this house. That's your laundry area. That's the other door that will lead you to the backyard of this house. Let's check the bedrooms. Look at how beautiful the sitting room is. This is the cloakroom, and this is the first bedroom, which is not en suite. It's generously sized. That window lets in a lot of natural light. Look at the wardrobe. Let's check bedroom 2, which is here. Again, it's very well lit and it's generously sized. This is the wardrobe for it. And here is the en suite washroom. Comes with that instant shower. There's a lighting there. That's your mirror. And this is a lavatory. Let's check the master bedroom, which you will love. Before we get there, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel for great and amazing content. This is the master bedroom. One thing I love about it is that it's separated from the other bedrooms for added convenience and privacy. This window lets in a lot of natural light. We have that as your wardrobe. Then there's another wardrobe here, so storage of your clothes. All of them will fit and you can add more. This is the dressing mirror stroke working station, and this is the washroom for it. It's very spacious. Remember, this house, we said it's in the market at only Kenya shillings 40,000. To view or make a reservation for it, you can contact us from 0715 304 497 or 0737 475 444. It's in Kiserian near Magadi, Isinya Junction. Come and make it your next home. Thank you for watching till this far, and see you in our next video. God bless you all.